The Southside. It's minty, fresh and botanical. It also unfortunately sounds like it's named after a boy band from the 1990s. The best way to describe this drink, it's like a gin mojito, so if you know somebody who loves mojitos with a penchant for gin, get them on this. The ingredient lineup: gin, mint leaves, lime juice and simple syrup. Okay, let's kick off the proceedings. Add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of gin to the shaker. Then add half an ounce, that's 15ml of simple syrup. 1 ounce, that's 30ml of fresh lime juice. Then add 7 or so mint leaves to the shaker. There's no muddling required here because the ice will do the job for you. Add ice to the shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, history-wise, this is another Hugo Enslin drink, and it traces back to 1916 and the creation of the Southside fizz. But this is a more straight-up version of the drink. Then grab a chilled martini glass and double strain. I'd use a closed gate on the Hawthorne strainer, as you still might see some specks of mint floating around, but this isn't going to kill anyone. Then presentation-wise, and I really like how this looks, float a single mint leaf on the top. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.